the initial concept of a design of a product, dealing with the whole life of a product from the initial concept to manufacturing, going through all the engineering questions, design questions, user questions, and of course, how to deliver it to the end user. So dealing with a wide variety of products from different domains, okay, it's almost impossible to have understanding and experience in all of them at once. Okay, in the routine, we have a lot of questions and decisions we have to make regarding engineering or mechanical and technical problems. Of course, material properties, structural strength questions that only engineers could solve. Okay, before Leo, we used to consult with engineers in different fields. That, of course, would lead us to slow communication, which would even be a few days per question. Okay, of course, taking expenses that cut our margins. Okay, of thousands of dollars per project. Every part of a design, every step of our design process regards engineer questions. Okay, if it's how to manufacture and what material we should use, and different questions regarding mechanical decisions we have to get, we would use outsourcing engineers. We're less dependent on outsourced engineers. Okay, we do it all in-house. We get answers in a few minutes instead of a few days. And much more than that, it opens our minds to new thinking of directions for us and for our users, allowing us to come with better and more creative and efficient solutions for designs. Okay, and of course, available 24/7, which engineers could take a few days to reach out. Leo basically bridges the gap we had and allows us to design better products and faster products for our clients. We had this project which involved mechanical questions for a medical equipment we designed for some startup regarding labor process. And we were looking for specific ways to make the product smaller and more efficient. And I think Leo gave us a few different ways of thinking and finding the solution that was right for our client. So for me to consult with an engineer on some kind of mechanical question, okay, or a mechanical equipment I'm looking at, I need engineer online all the time, okay? And when I have Leo 24/7, I consult with it all the time, okay? We use Leo on a daily basis for small questions, but all the time. Whereas if I need to consult with an engineer, I would wait a few days till I get a few questions to ask at once, or till I get the answers back, could take a few days. Leo gives me that opportunity to get the answers immediately. For given my customers' requirements, okay, Leo would provide preliminary concept design in 3D CAD formats. Okay, so significantly would shorten the initial stages of product development for me. Regarding component arrangement, Leo will suggest optional component arrangements that meet the product requirements, which today I didn't find any other way to do it. And after the component arrangement, when that's done, we'll go on design styles. If I tell you it would cut, I'd say 30-40% of my time, you can understand the cost of such a thing, okay? Taking 30% of my time doing drawings, manufacturing, and assembly guidelines is a big chunk of time, okay? If we could cut that, that's amazing. I just finished a project which we had a few weeks checking different arrangements for the components, okay? Regarding the client's requirements, and we basically had to show him different options of component arrangements, okay? And we had to check each one of the components, what are the requirements, and we had to show our client different options of setting up their components. That's a few weeks of work. If I have Leo doing or giving me a few different options regarding the requirements of each component, that would cut our time by 50, 60, 70% of our time. Giving a nice talk with an engineer, which is AI, is amazing. Sharing thoughts and open mind for different worlds is a great change for us. Okay, using Leo as a friend, okay, which not only a friend but gives me additional options for my design studio is amazing. We have lots of fun with it and we enjoy it very much. The designs and answers we got were very preliminary, okay? I think today we get better answers, faster answers, a wide range of designs which weren't before. Feels like the world was opened, okay? It feels like Leo has open-minded to different fields which weren't before. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to being at the head of design world.